Deep in a remote valley at an altitude of 4,000 meters in Sichuan Province, China, sits the home of Laorong Gar Five Sciences Buddhist Academy, along with the homes of thousands of practitioners whose little cabins dot the valley slopes. In 1980, His Holiness Khenchen Jingmei Punso Rinpoche, an eminent Buddhist master, founded the academy and established a curriculum noted for systematic Buddhist learning and tantric practice. Over the years, the academy has become one of the largest and most influential centers for the study of Tibetan Buddhism in the world. While H.H. Khenchen Jingmei Punso Rinpoche's disciples have been carrying on his legacy, one of the foremost among his disciples is none other than the revered Khenpo Sodaji Rinpoche.
唯有的利益众生的话，那么这个人生存在这个世界上，利益和价值是最高尚的。
Born in Durango County, Sichuan Province in 1962, Khenpo Rinpoche was ordained a monk in 1985 and relies on H.H. Khenchen Jingmei Punso Rinpoche as his root guru. Prompted by a fervent wish to make the precious Tibetan Buddhist teachings available to many Han Chinese who are hampered by language barriers, Khenpo has been translating volumes of sacred Tibetan text into Chinese and teaching them in a simple and accessible manner. In addition, Khenpo has translated many classical Chinese scriptures into Tibetan, such as the Amitabha Meditation Sutra. Meanwhile, Khenpo continues to do so fervently, endeavoring day and night. Over the past quarter century, Khenpo's impressive works and teachings include the major 5 treatises like the Middle Way, the Buddhist Logic, and the Way of the Bodhisattva, as well as the Preliminaries of Great Perfection, the Magical Net, the Trilogy of Finding Comfort and Ease, and so on. Recently, some of his lecture series and writings have become available in English, making it easier to benefit countless sentient beings. In the process, Khenpo has helped inspire many highly qualified Buddhist teachers. The quintessence of Khenpo Rinpoche's teaching to his students is that with the Bodhisattva mind of Mahayana as a foundation and principle, one should apply equal importance to the listening, contemplation, and meditation of the Dharma. And using that strength, work to benefit other sentient beings with effort and compassion. As early as the 90s, Khenpo Sodaji Rinpoche accompanied H.H. Khenchen Jingmei Punso Rinpoche to give Dharma teachings in more than a dozen countries throughout Europe, America, and Southeast Asia. In recent years, Khenpo has been invited to speak with scores of intellectuals at many top-notch universities, including Tsinghua University, Peking University,
僧人的这个教育呢，就是全部都是围绕这个善良。
University of Hong Kong, Hong Kong Polytechnic University, and other preeminent educational institutions.
在短暂的人生当中我们要寻找一个什么样的真理呢？大家应该想到。
实际上，我们要求一个真理的话呢，先了解，然后进行思考，思考完了以后，就是在这个付诸于实践。这是相当今天我们跟大家交流的，也就是说，这个佛教呢，就是消除烦恼的这个理论和方法。
在座的各位也许也看过，就佛陀这个无量劫以来，为了利众生而发行的这个经验。
人类呢，就不仅是就保护对自己人类相关的这个生命，同时呢，要有这种信念，要有这种意识，每一个众生他的生命是极其可贵的。
By combining the truth of Buddhism with modern science and quoting from prominent scientists as well as renowned philosophers, Khenpo delivers the core essence of Buddhism in a plain and concise manner. In the process, Khenpo has also profoundly enlightened millions of students worldwide in how to deal with practical issues relating to academic work, relationships, jobs, and life in general. In order to promote the welfare of all living beings, Khenpo Rinpoche is keen to explore in-depth with scientists both at home and abroad the life sciences, from macro to a micro perspective, as well as discussing his visions regarding environmental protection, world peace, ethics, and social science. Concurrently, Khenpo Sodaji Rinpoche has initiated a movement called Promoting a Loving Heart, encouraging Buddhist practitioners to cultivate loving kindness and compassion in daily life and to cease ignoring the unfortunate and those in need. To lead by example, Khenpo founded the Kindness and Wisdom Public Foundation.
我一个一个的住进他们的家里，当真正看到他们的这个生活，他们1年的收入。
as well as numerous elementary schools, novice monk schools, nursing homes, and centers for senior lay practitioners. His helping hands have also reached scores of impoverished college students and those who cannot afford medical care for cancer and other severe illnesses. While encouraging people to manifest our innate kindness in different ways, Khenpo stresses that compassion is not to be limited to human life forms, but rather should encompass all other sentient beings, including creatures large and small.